So I'm very excited today is because we have a special product to unbox. I'll just give you a glimpse. Yes, it's Cricut Maker 3. So today is October 5th, and this is October 5th version of the Cricut Maker 3 unbox. Cricut is a massive and vibrant community of arts and craft lovers, and we feel that we can actually help with the machines, with the tools and tips and materials. That's basically what the Cricut business model is. They start with the machine, and you buy the machine and subscribe to the software to create, a design. Some design, it's very outlandish. It does captivate my attention to this community because we're talking about machine, we're talking about software, we're talking about materials. I myself is engineering background, and I just feel that all these domains are my domains, and I can use my knowledges on the materials, softwares and hardwares and troubleshooting skills to make useful of all these knowledges for this vibrant and lovely communities. So in order to do that, we have to have the newest and the greatest Cricut Maker machine, and that will be the Maker 3 behind me. So we're gonna see what's in this newest and greatest package of Cricut Maker 3. As a small business, we actually have a business account with Amazon, so to purchase stuff that for your business and get discount. It turns out for all the Amazon product, if you don't register as a business account, when you log into your account, you will now be able to see the business price. It turns out when we bought this from Amazon, and Amazon give us a $25 discount, and that's just the $25 with no string attached. So that was actually excellent benefits to buy stuff from Amazon as a business owner. It's a little bit heavy. It does have the labels right here. It says Team Lift. So, and I just want to pay attention to those labels right here. It says right here, Cricut Maker 3. So this is the original box, not the box added by Amazon. I'm ready. Yep, like I said, there is a retail box inside. I don't know. There's a retail box inside this original Cricut box. So this is really considerate for Cricut to use external shipping boxes to carry the retail box, and you can see there's no extra space. Everything is pretty tight inside. But you see this one here? That's actually the retail package. All right, so let me just get this turned upside down and open the retail package. This is the retail package of the Cricut Maker 3. Look at that. Okay, so let me just open this one up, and I get additional cut. This is a tape. There was a tape right here. Okay, there was a tape. See, I have a hard time trying to figure it out how to get this open here. Okay, I got a few flaps right here. Maybe I'll just open the flaps first, and then cut it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, so you see that? There's a handles right here. That's for carry it. If you buy them from Bestbuy and you need something to carry, and there was a handle right there. And so next time when you unbox another Cricut Maker 3, find the handles and cut the flaps that's on the same top surface as the handles. So just flip it open, the tabs, and then you get to see the handles, and pull the handles. Now you can see whatever inside here. Okay, so this is a massive. So I'm gonna have to take down one by one. So we got the packet, the Cricut packet. I believe there was like maybe like welcome letters or some like sample materials inside. So there is one packet inside, and this is just cartoon box, throw away. Now we got two huge inserts, and we pull them out. These are two huge inserts, and throw away. And now I see the Maker 3. This is all right, let me see. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Yes. Accidentally, I'm having logos facing the camera, so you can see this is the right moment for presentations. Cricut Maker, I would just say Cricut right there. And I believe this is a champagne color right here. So this has been wrapped in a plastic wrap. So I'm gonna have to cut open the plastic wrap. But this is the very first component. So we got a sample transfer sheets, I believe. So there's no mat. It's very simple. As you can see, the end box, we have a sample, and there was a welcome kit. And that's basically it. So I really like the packaging. It's very rigid. So that will be it. I hope this information helps. And this is the October 5th version of 2021 Cricut Maker 3.